Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Tcl Tv supports AirPlay 2 and that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, power the TV and navigate to settings to ensure AirPlay is enabled. Then, on your iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Choose the Tcl Tv name that appears. Do this now so you can see the pairing code. If the TV shows a code, note it. You'll enter that on the iPhone to authenticate and start the connection. After selecting the TV, you'll often be asked to enter a 4 or 6-digit code shown on the Tcl screen. Type that into your iPhone to complete pairing. Once authenticated, decide whether to mirror the entire screen or stream from an app like Apple TV, Photos, or Safari. If video looks stretched, make sure the TV is set to the correct aspect ratio or resolution. Meanwhile, control volume from either device. You can switch apps and the stream will continue. It's to finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or tap the AirPlay icon in the app and select Stop. If things go wrong, restart the Tcl TV and your iPhone, then check for firmware or iOS updates. Make sure both devices are on the same SSID and band. Once done, reconnect. A common troubleshooting tip: disable VPNs and any strict router firewall or client isolation. These often block AirPlay discovery. If problems persist, power cycle the router and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.